Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. This afternoon we're taking a look at a 2014 Kia Rio EX trim level with sunroof. The car comes with signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, and of course a sunroof. That big green sticker in the upper right hand corner of the windshield is telling you that the car is a certified pre-owned unit, qualifies under the program. Get our business manager to explain the features and benefits of that to you. The car also has aluminum alloy wheels. As we go down the car, you'll notice a sign that says Sirius XM is on. This car is equipped with a Sirius XM receiver, and you get a 3-month trial of Sirius included with the car. Of course, has power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Some of the controls. This 2014 Rio only has 61,803 kilometers. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as other functions. AM/FM Sirius XM radio. Rio is equipped with a backup camera, climate control, auxiliary and USB ports, as well as Kia's UVO, which is your voice, and heated seats. There's a shot of that sunroof. Front seats are heated cloth, as I've already mentioned, and that driver's side is also height adjustable. Your trunk and fuel door are located in the front at your feet. Plenty of room in the back for passengers. Very comfortable car to ride in. And a really spacious trunk. You can carry suitcases, you could carry sports equipment, you could carry groceries back here. So this little Rio EX with the sunroof is located at West Coast Kia. We're just in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Best way to make an informed decision about a car you're considering is to actually come and drive the car. So we invite you to come down, take a test drive, bring the family. And we are open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, and 11 to 5 on Sunday.